Hello, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito po si Ate Vidal Masang Aspekto ang bumabati po sa inyong pong okasyon ngayon ng ating pong mga PWDs. And ito po ay tinatawag yung 5th Annual Persons with Disabilities Film Festival, and then po ating mga expo, seminar, and awards. So to all of you, mabuhay po kayo at maraming salamat po sa recognition na ibibigay niyo po sa akin. Ang inyo po PWD People's Grand Luminary of Service and Compassion Award. Maraming salamat po. Gusto ko naman po ipaalam sa inyong lahat na ang PWDs po isa sa pinakamalapit sa puso ko bilang isang tao at the same time bilang isang leader. Naniniwala po ako na tayo po ay nasa sa isang lipunan at may kanya-kanyang contribution. And now that I am the governor of the province of Batangas, I assure you na kasama po ang ating mga PWDs sa aking pong mga priority programs and projects para po sa ating mga iginagalang at minamahal na PWDs. And may I take this opportunity also to thank your creative executive, none other than Rizaldo Pablo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At sana, looking forward to meeting all of you soon. Again, mabuhay kayo, nakasuporta po ako sa inyo, at malaki po ang paniniwala ko na marami kayong kakayahan dahil kayo ay parte ng ating movement. To all of you, may God bless us all, and at the same time, my best wishes to all your future undertakings. In my own little way, if there's anything I can be of help, andito naman po ako basta kaya. Please don't hesitate. Nakasuporta po ako 100%. To all of you, enjoy your festival, and God bless you. I love you.
A round of applause, of course, to Honorable Vilma Santos for Ms. Vilma Santos. Congratulations. We'd like to ask, of course, Chris Pablo and Richard Nyola, together with our first batch of awardees, all the first batch of awardees, to please join them on stage for a quick group photo opportunity.